Hi, I'm Jennifer Swift, FEMBA class of 2021. I am a brand manager at Country Archer Jerky. I chose to go to Anderson to really build a strong network and enhance my skills and leadership abilities. I chose GAP for my field study because I wanted the experience of what it's like to think and act like a consultant. Given my background in CPG marketing, this was going to be something that was completely new for me, so the opportunity to learn in this school environment was extremely exciting. During GAP, not only did I help to cultivate strategic thinking skills, but I was able to really apply the past 2 years of coursework in this hands-on format and really bring those learnings to life. Having just completed GAP, I'm excited to take these learnings back into my career. Specifically, I feel like after GAP, going back into my role, I have this newly sharpened strategic thinking lens through which I can problem solve, set strategies, and develop plans that I necessarily didn't see through before. Additionally, the opportunity to learn and grow as a team player and as a leader in GAP are things that I can immediately bring back into my career. I've really had the opportunity to learn how to work through challenges with a team, how to build a strong sense of trust and rapport, and to really nurture and ensure that each individual set of skills and strengths is highlighted throughout the team. And finally, the opportunity to do so much primary research is something I can immediately take back. It's given me the confidence to be able to execute that kind of research in my day-to-day role. I'm honored to be selected by the faculty as a Voice of FEMBA for GAP. I hope that my experience encourages you to make the most out of your GAP experience and your time at UCLA Anderson. I truly believe the GAP program is what makes the UCLA Anderson MBA so unique. It's something that you will definitely use in your career, and it will truly help you grow as a leader and as a professional. Thank you.